Hi boys and girls, we're here today to learn about the number 15. A 15 is a number 1 and a 5 walking together. Now, can you count to 15 with me? Let's look at the back of this card, and there's drums on the back of this card. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 drums. Now, did you notice, boys and girls, that I counted in order because it's easier to keep track of what I already counted? It's very important that you learn to count in order so that you get a correct number. This is the number 15, a 1 and a 5 walking together. Now I'm going to turn my page over here, my phone over here, to take a picture. And this is our number 15 page, which you have. And it has 15 raindrops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I want you guys to get out your paper like this, and I want you to take the time to count your raindrops on this page. Count to 15, and make sure you start on the left and count to the right, and come back over here and go left to right, left to right, left to right. And the reason I say that is it's just how you read. When you learn to read, boys and girls, you're going to read the words left, right. The weather today is raining. What does Button Bear need? Count and color the raindrops. See, I read left to right. And just like I read left to right, we should learn to count left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Very good, boys and girls.